we all leave a mark. Every choice we make, every path we tread, shapes the story of tomorrow. Some footprints fade quickly and others endure. What we nurture today will sing for generations to come. What we take for granted may be silenced forever. I have always felt connected to the forest. You feel it the moment you step beneath the canopy. The air is thick and sweet, with the fresh scent of rain and soil. The roots of its mighty trees and the mesmerizing songs of its inhabitants tell an ancient story. Long before cities grew and machines hummed, it was the lungs of the earth, breathing for all living things, and it still is.
We were the last one to feel what it's like to play in the rice field and get muddy and chase frogs and enjoy the water, clean air, and not a worry in the world. Just being with the land. That is a feeling that I'm trying to find again. And I find it in my children when I see them playing with sticks and stones. Not fancy gadget or anything, just what they have around. A single leaf floating in the river can be a big deal for a little kid. We think it's stupid, but it's life.
Mother Nature provides. She always has and always will, as long as we are willing to receive it. I left Bali when I was young, carrying memories of an island brimming with life, the vibrant green of the rainforests, the whispers of the wind through the rice fields, and the heartbeat of traditions, devotion, and gratitude that tied its peoples to this sacred land. To us, it's more than just a home. It's a deeply rooted energy that binds our souls to nature, our ancestors, and our gods. A beautiful harmony between humans, the divine, and the environment, infused in every aspect of our lives. But when I returned, I found an island changed. The sacred rhythms of nature and the soil, once so alive, now struggle under the weight of progress. A place both blessed and shaped by the demands of its own popularity. The foundation that this island has been built upon is on the verge of being nothing more than a story for our future generations.
My wish for Bali is that it will never lose its spirit, that its spirit will persevere through the changes and carry through into the future the deep, profound wisdoms that it has carried throughout the ages until now. We are on the verge of possibly losing that.
Yet amidst the chaos, there remains a sanctuary, a heartbeat of the Bali I once knew. Mount Batukaru, home to some of the last farmers that live in harmony with the land. Here, the forest still breathes, and the earth still remembers. The farmers of Batukaru are the guardians of this precious world. They cultivate a way of life that honors the earth. Here, on this sacred land, every tree planted, every culture preserved, is a step toward something greater. It's a gift to the future, a promise that we cared.
Kalau yang dikerjakan sekarang ya sudah mulai dari 2 tahun. Kita bikin pupuk, penanaman kayu, sering juga nyoba-nyoba di sawah, kemplot di kebun-kebun, dan hasilnya ya 80% lah bisa.
But time is running out. This island has given so much to the world, its beauty, its culture, its soul. Now it's time for us to give back. The guardians of this land are leading the way, dedicating themselves to restoring Bali's legacy through education and sustainable agriculture. They are learning new methods while honoring ancient practices, ensuring their fields remain fertile and their traditions alive, preserving its essence for future generations.
Harapan saya untuk Bali, setiap orang lebih peduli kepada alam, sehingga alam akan peduli kepada semua manusia dan semua makhluk hidup selamanya.
We must use more the heart than the mind, because too many mind. More heart is needed.
Beli mau meninggalkan lahan yang hijau, yang subur, penuh kemandirian, generasi mudanya Beli, keturunannya Beli, agar tidak terikat kerja keluar, bisa mandiri di lahannya sendiri, dan seterusnya tidak jual lahan lagi untuk kehidupan mereka ke depannya.
We have a lot to learn from each other. Understanding is necessary to find the way through.
We all leave a mark. Every choice we make, every path we tread, shapes the story of tomorrow. Join our mission in saving the last remaining rainforest of Bali. What do you want to leave behind?